Maurice, anytime we enter a trade, we need to take in consideration the trend,
Hmm.
or we just we can go ahead and take our zone as our. For example, if in that 1 minute, this is a downtrend because the candles are below the VWAP, right?
Right.
So I should be interested in to looking for a sell, not a buy, or no?
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
So we do the trend 100% matters to a certain extent, right?
Okay.
Um, with that being said, so like from a zone perspective, of course,
Mm-hmm.
like look at it this way for the most part. Like if it's going down below VWAP, hey, yes, it's in a downtrend. So you should be saying,
Mm-hmm.
okay, how do I find where's my potential entry? So like the
Mm-hmm.
things you should be looking for are stuff like if I actually drew the remaining of this zone, I'm gonna draw it
Mm-hmm.
so we're right here anyway. So like this plus this piece here, give or take, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it was a demand zone, went down, came back up, tapped it, and then ran back down for a potential
Mm-hmm.
play to the downside. So
Okay.
yes, you do follow with the trend because it
Okay.
makes it easier. It's much better to go with the trend rather than
Mm-hmm.
to go against the trend in the first place. Like
Yes.
don't fight the market.
Mm-hmm.
If the market's going down, let it go down, and then that's fine.
And
Um,
make your money. Mm-hmm.
on the reverse side of it, I mean, we know just because of this one in hindsight that hey, it starts flying back up. So with that being
Mm-hmm.
said, to go against what I just said a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
um,
Mm-hmm.
hey, if it's going down, yes, take a put, but at the same time, look
Mm-hmm.
at hey, what did the previous day say in the first place? Is there a zone that maybe it's running down to, or to potentially
Mm-hmm.
make a bounce off of to run up, or not? You know,
Mm-hmm.
so the trend definitely matters, but you just need to keep in mind what are the previous days also showing because yes, we're day traders and we trade on that single day
Mm-hmm.
for that matter, I mean, but the
Mm-hmm.
previous day does matter. Does that make sense?
Okay. So for the previous day, I need to look for my trend as well, right?
Right. If it's relative, if it's still, valuable for that current day. So like
Okay.
if we look at say this is this current day and then this was the day before.
Mm-hmm.
Um so if we were hypothetically here at this time of day at 8:55, then the
Mm-hmm.
remaining this day before on the left of the dotted line doesn't matter at all because it's nowhere near
Okay.
where it was, right? So if it's
Right.
falling for the most part, so like this is
Mm-hmm.
potentially the low of this day right
Mm-hmm.
here, and it fell below it. Usually, what I end up doing is saying, okay, well, what's it falling to? It's falling to
Mm-hmm.
something. In this
Right.
scenario, more than likely, I would have went back, probably drew this line outward, more than likely,
Mm-hmm.
like right here or so, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, okay, it came relatively close to it. Okay, maybe there was a call to the upside. And then,
Mm-hmm.
okay, maybe I can potentially sell here. It might be a quick one, but maybe it's falling to this. Oh, it's not
Right.
falling to that? Okay, well, what about this? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Same concept. It's like, is it falling to this? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
actually, there is a zone if I drew the remaining of it
Mm-hmm.
right here. And then if I fast forward in time, we know that this thing starts bouncing up. It goes like actually all the way up to here, if I remember correctly, back up to the top
Okay.
because of this multi-day zone that came from the day before. So you need to
Okay.
find out where that falling knife is going.
Okay. All right. What's today's on? Okay, sounds good.